The city of refuge in the Bible was a city demarcated. If somebody committed a murder, are you following me in Novellen? Is he some with me? It was a city where the laws of the country did not apply. It was a city that provided an antidote. It provided forgiveness. As jy iemand gevermoor het, Sister Joylyn, ek het jou gesoek laas week, you could run to the city and your sins will be forgiven. Is daar iemand wat my hoor? Were you here by Prophet Java? He said, when you are a lion, you cannot fight in the air. You have to bring the bird onto the ground. Met ander woorde, daar mag evil birds wees in jou lewe wat siektes wil bring na jou toe. Hulle wil jou trek in hulle eie realm, daar wat jy nie moet beklei nie. They want to bring you to the realm of fleshliness. But when you pull them into your realm, when you bring them to Zion, when you bring them to Fire Torch, when you bring them to the city of refuge, hulle het nie meer krag nie, hulle kan nie meer so staan nie, because het ge-escape na jou veilige vesting toe. Is daar iemand wat my hoor? Jy's op jou gronde hier vanoggend. Is daar iemand wat my hoor? They can torment you at work. They can torment you at home. Maar laat hulle maak. Jy waarsku hulle heel week. Sondag bring ek vir jou na die city of fire toe. Ek bring julle almal Sondag. Julle toer my Maandag. Julle toer my Dinsdag. Hou maar lekker dikke. Ek gaan escape na die city of fire toe. Ek bring julle almal en ons reken met julle almal af. As iemand wat my hoor.